Hello student, we are going to learn construction practice lab. In construction practice lab, experiment number 18, construction of single and double scaffolding. Okay, so what is scaffolding? Scaffolding is a temporary structure to support the original structure as well as workmen used it as a platform to carry on the construction works. Types of scaffolding vary with the types of construction work. Scaffolding is made up of timber or steel. It should be stable and strong to support workmen and other construction material placed on it. So here it is the cross section of a scaffolding. So this is the wall portion and this is the foundation. Okay, this is the ground level. So here it is working platform. This is, and this is a ledger. This is a putlogs. This is a standard, and this is a rockers. This is the first floor, and this is a ground floor. Okay. To see the types of scaffolding used in construction: single scaffolding, double scaffolding. I will explain this briefly about. This is important in our construction site. So here it is cantilever scaffolding. Cantilever scaffolding is a separated scaffolding built to angle out from a structure. Has such cantilever scaffolders are usually sited near balconies for access. Okay, so suspended scaffolding, 2 points fully adjustable swing stage scaffolds, also known as suspension scaffolds, are the most popular types of suspended scaffolding. Trestle scaffolding, used up to a height of 5 meters, and it normally used for work inside the rooms like repair, painting, and likewise construction. Steel scaffolding is the most suitable scaffold that makes the work easy. It can be reused as well. Pattern scaffolding are made up of steel, but these are equipped with special couplings and frames, etc. These are ready-made scaffolding which are available in the market. In these types of scaffolding, working platform is arranged on a brackets which can be adjustable to our required level. So I am going to tell about the brief explanation of a single scaffolding. So here it is. The single scaffolding is generally used for a brick masonry, and it is also called as a bricklayer scaffolding. Single scaffolding consists of a standards, ledgers, putlogs, etc. So which is parallel to the wall at a distance of about 1.2 meter distance between the standard is about 2.5 meter ledgers connected the standards at a vertical intervals of a 1.2 to 1.5 meter. Putlogs are taken out from the hole left in the wall to one end of the ledger. Putlogs are placed at an interval of 1.2 meter distance. So see here the single scaffolding working the masons with the parallel of wall. See here also. Okay. So double scaffolding. Double scaffolding is generally used as stone masons. It is also called as a mason's stone walls. It is hard to make holes in the wall to support putlocks. So, two rows of a scaffolding is constructed to make it strong. The first row is 20 to 30 centimeter away from the first row. Then putlocks are placed which are supported by the putlocks frame. To make it more strong, makers and across braces are provided. This is also called as independent scaffolding. So see here the double scaffolding. This is a ready-made scaffolding and this is a mason's made scaffolding. This is ready-made scaffolding, various types of scaffolding, steel scaffolding, and it is reused. Okay. So hope you like this session. Enjoy this session. We will discuss about next session of signals of electrical, plumbing and welding. Okay. So thank you for enjoying this session.